The forestry sector in Indonesia is becoming an attractive sector right now because Indonesia has the potential to become one of the biggest superpowers for carbon and climate solutions. Therefore, we see that a lot of Indonesian businesses are eager to participate in the solution. In the past, they have been in the logging industry, but now they would like to contribute to something more positive and are exploring other businesses, such as non-timber forest products, environmental services, and others. We think it is very possible for regenerative businesses to contribute to sustainability and to SDGs. Our potential is extraordinary. Indonesia's forests are not only about timber. We believe it will create more jobs, more income for the people, which will be important to the country. We are keen to see new regenerative forest businesses contribute to sustainable livelihoods for the community and sustainable raw materials for companies. It's a great collaboration. The issue of sustainability and climate change is no longer an option, but a necessity.